After the building blocks video on corporate governance, let's look into the definition of corporate governance. So, corporate governance is a system of rules, practices, and processes. Rules, practices, and processes by which a firm is directed and controlled. Which means if I break down the definition of corporate governance, it's pretty simple. Corporate means a company, governance means running the company. How the company is governed, or how the companies is run, or what are the rules, what are the practices and the processes by which a firm is directed and controlled. Now we need to understand why do we need to have a good control over the corporate governance understanding. Let's talk about quality in a bit detail. Quality can be of two types. It can be in the form of the business in which the entity is operating now, and the people. In my first video I discussed about this concept, and the people who are running this business. Your business model may be genius, your business model might be very, very good, but the people who are running the firm or running the business is not competent, or they have their intention is fraudulent, they may not be able to run the business up to their potential. So when we talk about any quality in a stock or any quality in a company, we need to look the quality into two perspective or from two perspective. First is the business and the second is the people. People who run the company, on how the company is run by these people. That is called corporate governance. The rules, the practices, and the processes by which a firm is directed and controlled.